Hello everyone. Okay, so today I'm just going to do a quick review and demo of the SX-7 from JTS, which is a dynamic microphone. It says it's a stage microphone, but of course you can use it in a studio as well. So first off, I'm just going to open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so we've got the basic instruction or handout with basic information on it. Here it shows the frequency response curve and all those sorts of interesting pieces of information. We get a nice little leather pouch for the microphone. It's always good to make sure your microphone stays safe and dust free. Comes with a clip for your microphone stand and the microphone itself. So this is a nice sturdy metal microphone, so nice and tough. It feels like it'd take a few knocks, and yeah, not too bad to look at. So from here I'm going to go to a couple of demonstrations of the microphone in use, at which point we'll talk about the polar pattern and all those other details. Okay, so here we have a raw demonstration of JTS's SX-7 Dynamic Microphone. Here I'm speaking nice and close to it. Here I'm speaking a little bit further away. Now I'm going to demonstrate the polar pattern using this nice little shaker. So you'll be able to hear where it's cancelling out or not picking up the sound due to its polar pattern being a cardioid polar pattern. Sometimes it's recommended to use a pop filter when recording with a microphone in a studio. It's to get rid of some of the P's and bap sort of sounds. A negative, of course, is it can sometimes dull the sound a little bit. But the positive is it also protects your microphone from moisture from the air, which can do damage to your microphone over time.